If you think your vehicle is out of alignment, or if you have the vehicle pulling left or right, or you notice some uneven wear on your tires, chances are you're going to need a wheel alignment. Before we do the wheel alignment, we'll want to inspect your suspension. Maybe we'll find a bent or broken component. Maybe there's a strut or something that's leaking. What is causing those tires to wear unevenly? What is causing the pull? Now, once that's addressed and the repairs are complete, then a four-wheel alignment is recommended. So we'll address the camber and the caster, and we'll address the toe being in or out. What are all those things? What we need you to know is that they will cause uneven wear on your tires, and that can get expensive. So we address all of those items back into the specification for your vehicle. So if you need help with your alignment or have a steering or suspension issues, let us know.